how to add phone numbers on Ubisoft. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add your phone number to your Ubisoft account. So first thing, simply head over to your any web browser, and once you're inside here, just search in for Ubisoft login and make sure you log into your Ubisoft account, and you'll be then redirected to this page. This is your dashboard, official dashboard of your Ubisoft. So as you can see, there is a first option called account information. So you just have to simply click on it, and then it will ask you to edit just like this. As you can see, you can also link other social media account. If you haven't already, you can link it from over here. So to change your phone number or to simply add a phone number, as you can see, my phone number hasn't been added here. So what I can do is simply click on this edit button over here, and then simply click on add a phone number from over here, and it will ask you to first verify to keep your account secure. So let me just do that. So once you enter your verification code, click on submit, and then it will finally ask you to enter your phone number. So you can simply type in your phone number just like this, and simply click on add, and then your phone number will be successfully added to your official Ubisoft account. So that is exactly how you can easily add a phone number to your Ubisoft account. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.